Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this week in my hemlock and oak, the inspiration for my whole planner spread was this washi from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. This was her Mountain and Meadows release, and I'm using it this week because my sister and I are actually going away on the weekend for a girls' weekend in the mountains. So this was the inspiration for this whole spread, and I'm going to be incorporating it with some stickers from the flower sticker book from the Happy Planner, one of my first ever favorite flower sticker books, and then some washi, because I mean you can never have enough washi. And then I may also bring in some either Tombos or even some of my Crayola super tips. Let's get started. Okay, first things first is putting this washi down. Like, how beautiful is that? And I want to make sure it goes all the way across and that it's straight, because especially something that goes up. Oh, I already made a mistake. I'm wondering though if I should put one of these first. I think that's what I'll do. I'll put, sorry, just kidding. I'll put this steel bow from Simply Gilded down first, and then I will put the Mountain and Meadows on top. Love this gray. I feel like I have to stand up to make sure that it goes down straight. Ruler. Where is my ruler? Oh, it's right next to me. Okay, and rip. And then this one across here. Obviously as straight as I can get it. Oh my gosh. Then adding this on top. Oh, yes. I don't mind covering up the hours of like 6 and 7 o'clock because I don't really use those times of the day. I mean, I'm up, but it doesn't necessarily mean I have things scheduled. Although I think I do have, no. I have a meeting at 8 on the Monday. So, oh my goodness, I love that combination already. Okay, so then I just want to use this everywhere. So then, now what do I do? So I actually went into this flower sticker book beforehand and took out, I actually have 2 of these sticker books. I took out all of these like blue and green florals because I just thought they were awesome. And then before I even do that, let's go ahead and write in the date, so it's August. Then I feel like I need to put down quotes or whatever it is, but I like just the little combination of, you know, the florals, and yeah, I just love this little combination. It's not anything huge, but it just adds something. Now I just want to make sure that I do have enough room for the actual spread on this side. Come on. Okay, I'm going to put these down, and then I'm going to go work on the graphs that are supposed to be here, similar to this. So one sec. So I go into this sidebar here, and this is where I create my sleep tracker as well as my workout tracker. So I take this cute emoji from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo, and then I draw out the graph where I'm going to measure my sleep daily. So I measure anywhere from 4 to 9 hours and then write the days of the week. And then underneath I put in my workout along with basically the days of the week and which workouts I'm scheduled to do each day. Now that I filled out that side, I can add a couple more florals or just washi. Gosh, I don't know how I want to do this because I love this washi so much. I just want to use it all the time. Like, how do I? because I don't want to waste any of it either. Okay, let's cut it there with just a tiny bit of this steel bow because I love it. And then add one of these. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love that little combination in the corner. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and fill in everything day by day. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw the line across here using my mild liner. And first thing I realize is that I drew it like one row too high, but that's okay. So going into Monday, I do have a meet and greet at 8 a.m., but then the rest of my work schedule is pretty, it's the same for the rest of the week. So I draw in the arrows for the rest of the week and then put in the work sticker from my script stickers, and I put them across the week as well. And then I'm going to go in with different emojis for each of the days for work. So then on Monday, I kind of color in a green thing for tasks, and that will be when I'll be meal planning and ordering groceries. And I always like to put a cute emoji from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. And then on Tuesday, we will be putting out the garbages. So I take this sticker from Pretty Cute Planner. And then Wednesday, we'll be mopping the floors. And then moving on, I realized that the kids actually have a physical on Wednesday morning, so I take those two stickers from the Happy Planner and put them for Wednesday morning for their physical. And then I realized I have a blood donor appointment on Wednesday evening, so I take this Band-Aid sticker from the Caregiver Sticker Book. And then this cute grocery bag for picking up groceries. And then I move on to the TCMC sale, TheCoffeeMonsterzCo sale on Friday. It's her anniversary, her birthday sale, so I'm super excited. And then I take the weekend script sticker and put it over Saturday and Sunday, and take this road trip sticker because my sister and I are going away for the weekend. I'm super excited about that. And then I take this walking sticker because by the time we get to Banff, we do have a couple of hikes scheduled. And then I take this steel bow washi from Simply Gilded and write that we will be doing hikes in Bragg Creek on this Sunday. And then this wine emoji to say that we are going to be doing wine and drinks at Craft in Calgary on Sunday. And then I'm going to go in and add in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All right, I'm leaving the weekend pretty open just because most of it pretty open because I will fill it in as I go along. I really love the look of the gray and the green and the blue all together. So I'm going to see if I can add maybe just a couple of touches just around to add a little bit more, but I almost feel like it doesn't need it. Because again, I don't want to go crazy adding too much like I want it. I almost want to keep it really super simple. Yeah, like maybe adding like a leaf in the corner, a little bit of this here, and one more leaf. Actually, I don't even think I need to add one more leaf. I think I'm actually okay. And I will leave it like that. I love the way this looks. I was so excited to decorate for this week because I knew I would love the colors, and I was so happy to find florals that matched with that washi. And I'm so excited for that weekend. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.